Welcome, and thanks for giving me a moment of your time. Today we're going to talk about the HUD-184 Native American and Native Alaskan loan. This is an amazing program with amazing benefits that you should really have in your arsenal to improve your business in this marketplace. So before we go into the benefits of it, let me tell you what the HUD-184 program is. It's a loan that was put together and backed by the government to help Native Americans and Native Alaskans to buy homes on Indian and reservation land. But it has grown so much more than that right now. Before lenders had a real hard time, or a lot of them even wouldn't lend on reservations because those are leased lands, as you may know. But the HUD-184 was put in place to counter that. And, at Alaska USA Mortgage, we do so many of these because we're out of Alaska that we have become an expert on these. And I really want to show you the benefits of this program. And I want to tell you why you should use this program. So first and foremost, it can be used anywhere in Washington. The myth that it has to be on reservation land is false. It can be used on any parcel in Washington state. It can be used to buy any home in Washington. It can be used to buy any home in Washington. I say that twice because it's really important. A lot of people think that it's a limited program, and it's really not. It's basically an FHA loan with more benefits. So if the home can be approved by FHA, we can do it with a HUD-184. So let's talk about some of these benefits. All you need is 2.25% down versus 3.5% down. And we're going to show some numbers in a minute to really show you the benefits of this program. There's a 1.5% funding fee versus a 1.75 fee with FHA. There is no mortgage insurance versus the 1.35% that FHA requires for the life of the loan. And the down payment can be a gift. Not only can it be a gift, some tribes even have federal money that's set aside to help their members buy homes. I've actually had one where the tribe gave the person not only their full down payment, but even extra money to help them move. So not only did they walk in with no money down and no money out of pocket, but I think they had like an extra, I think it was like $3,000 to actually help them like get a truck and move. So here's the numbers. Here's where hopefully you can see why you want to use this program when it's applicable. So as you can see, the down payment is quite a bit of savings right there. The funding fee versus the upfront mortgage insurance, it's a little savings. Every dollar helps nowadays. But really, when you go down to it, look at the monthly total. Okay, the monthly total right there is $264 difference. Now, hopefully what you're doing instantly when you see that is not only see that it's easier to get pre-approved with all the new regulations and the strict guidelines on debt to income ratio, but this even allots people to buy more home for the same amount of payment. So to go from, if someone can get approved for $1,700 and they're comfortable with that, this particular loan is based on $250,000 at a 640 credit score. Well, they probably could go up to close to $300 and keep that same payment that they would have on an FHA loan. And that gives you, the agent, much more power in putting in bids. So hopefully now you can see the true strength of this and why you would want to know this program and start to use this program. So let me show you what Alaska does to help you get in the community and really make sure that this program is beneficial to you. Anybody looking at a single family residence a townhome or an FHA approved condo, we treat this loan like it's an FHA loan. And right now, my average FHA loan is closing in about 25 days. So we're on a 30-day or faster, especially if it's a single family dwelling. I had one close in 22 days. So you can see that the myth of that this program is not flexible and is hard to use, it's not true. We underwrite the loans in-house, so there's no need to send them out to the HUD. So again, single family, townhome, or FHA approved condo, we keep it all in-house. We don't have to get another entity involved with the loan. And the only extra paperwork that the borrower has to have is a bloodline card. Now, 95% of the HUD184 loans I've done, our members and the clients already have. They already have the bloodline card. But all the bloodline card is as simple as them picking up the phone, reaching out to the tribe. The tribe can send them a letter that's stamped and certified within, usually it's a week turnaround. And they can say that, yep, that's your bloodline card and you're good for this program. I do encourage all my borrowers to reach out to the tribe to make sure that if there's money to help them, they might as well use that. So here's how we can make part of your business. We pride ourselves at Alaska USA Mortgage, not only to close loans on time, but to really help you, the agent, grow your business and build your business, and especially in this particular strong niche product. We do co-marketing. However, you and myself or one of my loan officers decide to go after this business, we're there to help you, not only with marketing, but expenses and knowledge of this program. We can have learn at lunches. We have 20-minute class set up just like this. We can do it online or we can do it live at a particular location, whatever you want to do. And you will have one of the most trusted names in credit union lending today as part of your team. When you do loans with us, you not only get the experience of our loan officers, but you get our processors who have been doing these for years. You get underwriters who know this. You get office assistants that are there to help you if you can't get a hold of the loan officer or even help you with your marketing. And mostly important, we strive for fast on-time closing. I'm the manager of the Everett office, which means I pretty much cover the Snohomish and Northern King counties. My job is to make sure that your loans close on time and fast. I pride myself to close loans early. So I hope you can see in this short amount of time that this program is amazing and really how you can use this to grow your business. So remember, we do more than close loans, we grow your business. So take the next step, find out more about this program, and possibly more about how Alaska USA Mortgage can help you grow your business. And reach out, that's my phone number, or reach out to the person who referred you to this webinar, because they're just as an expert as I am on this. So thank you so much for your time. And now I'm going to take a couple questions and see if there's anything that I didn't cover that could help you. So you can text your questions in, and I've got a couple questions already here. Someone asked about mobile homes. Now, mobile homes, we can do those, but the mobile homes, those do have to get sent to the HUD department for approval. That's not meaning we can't do them. What that means is we're probably adding an extra 15 days or so on the close time. So if your home buyer really falls in love with a mobile home that's on land and meets all the criteria of FHA, you just got to give it a little extra time to close. Oh, let's see. Oh, so we've had this question at other times, and when I'm actually talking with agents too. You know, there's nothing wrong to ask if someone's a veteran, and ask, are you Native American or Native Alaskan? And you always just follow that up with, as we do when we're talking with people, is, there's different loan programs, and we want to make sure that we're getting the best loan for you. And you could say something like that too. Do know that when we pre-approve our borrowers, it is now becoming one of our staple questions of, are you a veteran? Because then we can look at VA loans. Are you Native American? Do you have a bloodline card? Because there's certain benefits you can have by having that. So it is something we ask every time. And I know it might be a new thing, but you really want to ask that because it's going to get you into the community. And that's the other thing about these programs. Just like in VA, there is tons of referrals with the HUD-184, because not only there's a lot of agents out there that don't know about this program, but there's a lot of home buyers that don't know about this program. Even Native Americans don't know about this program. Native Alaskans aren't 100% aware of this program. So there's times when we get borrowers and we ask that and we show them that, and they're just like, wow, we had no idea. And if this is done right, and you treat your clients right, you're going to get referrals, and we work on referrals, and we try to build those referrals with you as part of your partner lending. Yeah, we can do leased land. We can do reservation land and leased land. The trick with the leased land and reservation land is excuse me, there's another entity that comes involved. The tribe themselves have to sign the lease, and I've seen those type of deals go as fast as a normal deal. I've seen them go up to 4 or 5 months, like a short sale, to get all the paperwork and product. So we can use this for leased land and reservation land. That's no problem. But don't think that it's limited to that. That's the whole point of this. It's an amazing program, and not a lot of people know about it. And to be quite honest, there's not a lot of lenders, and I don't know any lenders that keep this in-house in Washington State other than us right now that are doing this. Okay, I think that's all the questions right now. Thank you again. Thank you so much for your time. Do yourself a favor, reach out to us. Let us tell you a little bit more about it. Let us show you what we can do with this. Let us show you what we can do with the VA, USDA, and why you want to work with us. So thank you. Best of luck, and hopefully we'll be talking to you soon.